In order to speed up the process of development and ensure the proper implementation of various schemes, the union ministers are visiting the Northeast region to review development work. Many new projects are being inaugurated to uplift the socio-economic condition in the region. A report.
In a bid to give boost to the textile sector in Manipur, Union Textiles Minister Santosh Kumar Gangwar inaugurated a number of mega projects during his visit to the state. At a function at the City Convention Centre in Imphal, Gangwar, along with Chief Minister Ebobi Singh, laid down the foundation stone for a power loom estate and an apparel and garment making centre to be developed at Lamboi Khong Nang Khong. It will cater to the needs of weavers and entrepreneurs of the state. He also launched a scheme to promote usage of geotechnical textiles and 2 sericulture schemes, Phase 2 of sericulture project for valley districts of Manipur and integrated sericulture development project for hill districts of Manipur. The new initiatives have been taken up under the Northeast Region Textile Promotion Scheme and will help in promoting the textile industry besides providing employment to a large number of people.
शायद पहला राज्य होगा आपका कि जिन्होंने तुरंत हमको 1.5 एकड़ जगह दी और आज हम देखकर यहाँ पर इसकी शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। वास्तव में आपका राज्य इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई का पात्र है। और जैसा अभी आपकी जानकारी में आया कि पहले वर्ष में हम 18 करोड़ रुपया इसमें खर्च करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें पैसे की हम लोग कमी आने नहीं देंगे। जितने भी सेंटर बनेंगे, जितने भी काम, और हमारा ऐसा मानना है कि अगले साल भर के अंदर कम से कम सीधे एक 1500 से अधिक नौजवानों को रोजगार भी मिले यहाँ पर, और उसके हिसाब से हम मिलकर काम भी कर रहे हैं।
Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Thawar Chand Gehlot and Minister of State Krishan Pal Gurjar were also on a 2-day visit to the state to assess the condition of the differently abled persons and review major programs taken up by his ministry. The ministers visited a differently abled home run by Spastic Society, Manipur at Khari, and interacted with the people and assured all possible assistance. Later on, the Union Minister distributed aids and assistive devices worth 50 lakh rupees to more than 900 persons with disabilities in a function at the 1st Manipur Rifles ground. The minister announced that his ministry would sanction funds for various schemes and was ready to establish a 200-bedded composite regional centre as well as a drug rehabilitation centre if the state government provided land for the same.
मणिपुर सरकार चाहेगी तो एससी, ओबीसी, विकलांग और ट्रांसजेंडर इन सब वर्गों में जो छात्र छात्राएं पढ़ते हैं, मणिपुर के इस इम्फाल मुख्यालय पर 200 बेडेड हॉस्टल भी खोलने के लिए स्वीकृति देने के लिए तैयार हैं। आवश्यकता है राज्य सरकार हमको जमीन उपलब्ध कराए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वो उपलब्ध करा देंगे। जितना जल्दी वो करेंगे, हमारे पास अगर पोजीशन आएगा जमीन का तो उस पोजीशन लेटर के बाद में 1 महीने के अंदर अंदर हम वो स्वीकृति प्रदान कर देंगे। इसके साथ ही साथ हम चाहते हैं कि विकलांग खिलाड़ियों के लिए स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर की भी स्थापना हो जाए।
Earlier last week, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar was in Guwahati to attend the Chintan Shivir organized by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Forest officials from the Northeast and Eastern region came together at the event to discuss various problems regarding environment, forest and wildlife protection. While Assam Forest Minister Etwa Munda submitted a memorandum asking for additional funds for protecting sanctuaries, the Union Minister announced that the centre has established a Kaziranga task force that will include the youth living in neighbouring villages of Kaziranga.
Rhino poaching is a serious issue and the forest management is a state domain. the central government gives the policy guidelines and the requisite assistance. I visited Kaziranga 2 days and I had announced 4 programs. One, we had established Kaziranga Task Force. The report is submitted last week. So yesterday the parliament session is over, so immediately we'll look into it and announce the further measures.
Union ministers have been visiting the northeastern states to review development work of their respective departments in accordance with the Prime Minister's directive to visit the region on a regular basis to ensure speedy implementation of the centre's programs. Once neglected due to an array of reasons, the Northeast region is now on the priority list of the centre to carry out development work.